Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in compound interest. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. See friends, compound interest at the rate of 12.5% per annum for the 5th year is rupees 2048, and here our question is what is the compound interest for the 8th year at the same rate of interest. Friends, for the 5th year 2048, for the 6th year we get the same 2048 plus interest on 2048. So for the 6th year we get 2048 plus in compound interest we get interest on interest. So we get the same 2048 plus interest on 2048. Here interest rate is 12.5%. 12.5% is 1 by 8. So we get 1 by 8 of 2048. Friends, 8 2s 16, 4 remains 44, 8 5s 40, again 4 remains 48, 8 6s 48. So 6 plus 8 14, 6 plus 4 10. So 2304. Friends, for this 6th year we get 2304. Friends, for the 7th year we get this 2304. We get this 2304 plus interest on interest. Interest on interest. So friends, 1 by 8 interest. 8 2s 16, 7 remains 70, 8 8s 64, 6 remains 64, 8 8s. So 23 plus 2, 25, 92. Friends, this is the interest for the 7th year. Friends, 8th year, interest for the 8th year is the same 2592, 2592 plus interest on interest. So interest on 2592, that is 1 by 8 of 2592. 8 3s 24, 1 remains 19, 8 2s 16, 4 3 remains 32, 8 4s. So this is equal to 4 plus 2 6, 9 plus 2 11, 29. 2916 is the interest for the 8th year, friends. Thank you.